Yeah, man, I definitely like Stellar right now. Stellar for the win, man. Stellar for the win. If you guys don't know what's going on, definitely go to Stellar. Go to Twitter, which is the Stellar org Twitter page. It's pretty much the first thing you see, which is why IBM built WarWire on Stellar. Pretty much IBM's own blockchain is just using Stellar's blockchain to make payments across different countries, fast, efficient, and at low cost, right? So I definitely believe this was a big deal or for the whole space, for the cryptocurrency space, as far as bringing legitimacy to the space. You know, for Stellar to partner with IBM, a company that been in business for 100 plus years. Literally, they've been in business since June 16th, 1911. Um, 1911, 170 years ago, right? 170 years. IBM been in business. They have revenues of about $79.59 billion. So this shows you how big of a giant this Fortune 500 company is. And for Stellar to make a power move with IBM because they share the same vision, right? As we go to the stellar.org website. So, move money across borders quickly, reliably, and for fractions of a penny, right? So that's what IBM vision is as well. So for them to come together and notice that, it's best if they work together and make a partnership out of it, I believe that is a big win for the whole markets as a whole, for the whole space. Um, Hopefully you guys agree with me on that as well. I definitely want to see these projects as far as cryptocurrencies move forward. There's a lot of currencies in the space that don't have any real use case at all, right? They're just pretty much dead projects. So Stellar definitely isn't one of them. Definitely they found a use case for their blockchain and they're trying to make it a reality. So definitely congratulate Stellar. I always knew liked this Stellar for some odd reason, so I guess this was it. So as we go to the Binance charts here, unfortunately the price isn't reflecting the good news. Stellar is currently trading at 10 cents. As you guys can see here, the news came out on March 20th here, and it seems like people actually started selling, right? So people didn't actually buy into Stellar and for the price to go up. Usually you'll see it rally, but like I said, for the whole markets, in crypto, things has been a lot lower as far as the market cap. Things are a lot more quiet, so you're not going to see a lot of these prices increase based on news at this time. But definitely something to pay attention to. Stellar just hit its resistance here, which is at, bring this down just a little bit more, at about 2,918 Satoshis. It has a nice support line here at about 2,869 Satoshis. So it had a bounce here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty much like 5 touches, right? About 5 touches on that support line there. So definitely Stellar, try to hit above that resistance and hopefully test that support and start to go back on a bull run. But that don't seem to be the case right now in the short term. But hey, that's the short term. I know a lot of us is in for the long term. So definitely keep my eyes out on Stellar. Definitely believe it's undervalued. In my opinion, only trading at 10 cents, hit its highs of, 20, 30, 40 cents at one point in time, or even higher than that. So definitely, I believe it should be in more in that range instead of the 10 cents range. But like I said, the overall markets are all the prices, decrease in value, especially in this long bear market we've been in for about a year and a half. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Leave the comments below.